Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today some tips, tricks, techniques. I'm building a castle wall, and on my castle wall I would like to have some windows, but not the normal windows with the window panes, but the old ones. So after a long time building, I used those ingot parts um, to get a real old look and feel with the windows. I made this side panels. This one should actually go on there again. Those are the ingot pieces I mean. You see a little slope on the side on both sides. So when you put them together, this will line up perfectly. This will fit. So this is a real nice technique to build. Actually, there was a big problem with those windows. And I can show you this by showing you those headlights. Those headlights are not a one by one brick size. Um, and I didn't knew it actually because normally spoken you think, okay, it's the same size, but it's not actually. If you put this brick beside here and you're gonna lift it, yeah, there's just a minor difference with the stud, and that stud is a problem because if I make it like this, and I put one brick in front of this here, yeah, this will not fit. And that's why I used another headlight just in front. If I put it here, the stud in the front will go to the back of the headlight and then it will fit. So that was a quick solution. The only problem I had was how can I get this one, that ingot, yeah, on top of this. And I tried some techniques and eventually I built this. I just took a normal 1x4 plate, placed it on the back side on the headlights, then a bracket, again with those ingots down. I placed it one on the 1x4 plate and then just a normal brick with another ingot, and then there's your window. So this is a cool technique, quite easy. The only problem I had was with this headlight, so that was an eye opener, and I actually did not know how I would solve this, but so far so good. There are four windows here. The fifth one I just took out to show you, and this is, yeah, a castle wall with the windows I would really like to use in the castle. Now in my castle I'm gonna use a floor, but I'm not gonna be placing normal tiles and normal plates on that floor like this. So this is your floor, but I don't want this to be my floor. I want those normal bricks to be my floor. Um, I'm gonna explain myself because this is the way you normally build, but I'm not gonna build it like this. I'm gonna build it like this, and that way I can use those masonry bricks in a real cool way, not facing the side but facing upwards. And when I face this is facing upwards, I can use it to make a very nice floor plan and some very nice stairs. And with a tile like this, you can place it on very different sizes and different shapes in your floor plan. So this is a technique I'm going to use. I'm going to show you in the castle. I have it upstairs, so I'm going to show you what I mean exactly and how I'm going to use it. Next up, we're going to make a palm tree. I have a lot of those, yeah, eggshell pieces, parts, but I think I can make a very nice palm tree out of this with some coconuts and some leaves hanging around it. Just a lot of parts which I already took aside for testing and building and just figuring out what we can build. Um, there are two pieces that I already know I'm going to use. It's this part and this part. So my idea for now is to get this one on top and to fill the rest up with those eggshell parts, plant tree parts, palm leaf things. But yeah, I have to use a lot of them, but I think when you use more of them, it's gonna be very nice. But I need to stack about, I think, 25 of them. I'm just gonna try it. Okay, so far so good. This is more or less the idea I had. Now I'm gonna have to try to figure out how I'm gonna put this one somewhere in this area to get the coconut hanging under the tree line. I bought a few parts just to try and to get connected to that part, but I have to figure out what the best technique is. I don't want to have the palm straight and the coconut straight, so I would like to use it in an angle. So maybe something like this would be interesting visually. The only problem I have is how I'm going to fix this connecting to this, because eventually I'm going to put this one on here, and if I put this plate modified on there, I want to use some connection with this, but I'm still trying to figure out what's best. um, Maybe I can use those foot parts from the skeletons, but then there's no possibility to get this one on it. So for now, that's not the option I'm looking for. Now I can use those round pieces, tile round with a hole. And now I think this could be an option as well, but then I have to get this fixed. Okay, this is possible for at least in my theory. Okay, now we're getting somewhere, and I can even put it outside from the inside out on here. I think I'm gonna get one or two from those eggshells off because I want to get more connection to the top. So this one's gonna go off. Maybe just two for now. And the last piece on top, I didn't. Yeah, I turned this one around, so I have those tooth beneath and those tooth up. So this is gonna get connected like I wanted to. Good to put those bushes back on, and now this is actually a good solution for the studs because the studs are faced down, and I want to get the studs faced up because somewhere in this process I want to get those palm tree leaves like this, with the coconut hanging underneath the palm leaves. So this could be a very good solution. I'm gonna make some more. I think I'm just gonna make the entire round with those coconuts, maybe in some different colors. But yeah, I'm gonna try this one for now, and yeah, let's go. Well, yes and no. I think I like it, but it might be just too much. So maybe I'm gonna take a few off. And the colors, I used a few colors to try what looks nice, but this dark green and that reddish brown one, I think those colors are the best. Um, Now we only have to try to get the leaves, the palm leaves on top. Um, there are two sizes of palm leaves, the old ones, the big ones, and the smaller ones. And this one is quite common to use, and it's in two different colors, in dark and in this green color. Maybe I'm just going to try with the normal green color first, and then I have to check if this is okay. Maybe that brick is just too high. Maybe I'm going to take that one off and place a plate, a smaller plate. So yeah, that looks a bit more interesting. Um, and then maybe a turntable, or I can use this. That could be as well an option. Okay, let's try this one. One to the back. Now, I don't have enough palm leaves here, but I think you'll get the idea. So, yeah, for now I'm pleased with the result. I think I'm gonna do some fine tuning with colors, clips, connectors. I'm gonna take that one off. I'm gonna use a plate like this one, and then I'm gonna take some other palm tree leaves and fix that one on top of there. So yeah, yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the result so far. Um, let's see if I can fine tune everything in colors and in size, and that way I can make this one look perfect and place it anywhere I want to in my castle. So yeah, so far so good. I'm pleased with the result. Let's go on with some other techniques or ideas I have, and I can show you a lot more. So thank you very much for watching. Please hit like, subscribe, and I'll show you a lot more videos like this. How to build it, what I'm thinking about the building style, building techniques. I'm not really 100% sure I'm going to leave it like this, but for now it's okay. So thanks for watching, and see you back soon. Thank you. Bye bye.